everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and link Nintendo account to Pokemon Home. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your particular account, aka your Pokemon Home app. And then the first thing that you have to make sure is that if you have already created your account and haven't connected with the Nintendo, and then if you would like to, then you have to simply go to your settings, clear out all of the data from the app, and again go back, and then you have to start the process from the signing in, because when you create your account, aka sign in, you will get this option by Pokemon Home itself. So afterwards, you have to delete your account, delete your data, go ahead, access your app, and then you will have to reset up your accounts from you choose from your language to everything. So let me do that. So once you're done, you're gonna find this option of link a Nintendo account. It will show you things you can do by linking it, and the notification below it you can see if you're already using Pokemon Home or Nintendo Switch, and if you want the mobile device version to sync with it, you must do a Nintendo account right now. Right, tap on this link account here in this orange box, and again it will give you a note, a warning regarding it. Again, check if it's not correct, and again tap on this yes I'm sure and would like to link. Then again it will ask for you. So once you have tapped, again it will give you a final confirmation, and then tap on this link your account below, and then it will be confirmed, and you will be able to link your Nintendo account to your Pokemon Home. So that is the way to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.